Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Debongs. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create invoices, request money and send money via PayPal. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like and share if you find this video with value. So yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, so if you want to send an invoice to someone, you just have to click on Tools, Invoicing, and then click on Create Invoice. And then you will be able to create an invoice. And when you're done, you can either save it as a draft or you can send it via PayPal or share the link yourself. Then if you want to request money from someone, you can click on Tools, Request Money. Then you just need to enter their username or their email address or their mobile number, and then you'll be able to click on Next and then type in the amount that they owe you, and then they will get a notification to pay you. And then lastly, another way for you to request payments on PayPal is to use your paypal.me link. This is just a custom link that you can create. As you can see, mine is paypal.me, Wanderlust Movement, and you could just send that to anyone that needs to pay you. And then if you need to send money to someone, you just need to click on Send and enter their username, email address, or mobile number, and then the amount that you owe them, and then PayPal will send them your money.